Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, December 14, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayon Thursday, December 14, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong December 14, 2023 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, December 14, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 5.9 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 280 million pesos for December 14, 2023 Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, December 14, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.